Welcome back to our channel, where we're dedicated to empowering women to achieve financial independence, build healthier relationships, and ultimately find peace of mind. Today, we're kicking off our new series inspired by the book From Paycheck to Prosperity, A Woman's Guide to Financial Freedom. Whether you're dreaming of breaking free from living paycheck to paycheck or simply looking for ways to strengthen your financial foundation, you're in the right place. When Emily was a child, she believed that financial freedom was only for the wealthy, a dream forever out of reach. Growing up in a modest household, money was tight, and she assumed financial independence was some exclusive club she'd never join. But everything changed when she reconnected with her old friend Sarah, who had also come from humble beginnings. Through determination and the right financial strategies, Sarah had built her own path to prosperity, proving it wasn't just a fantasy. Inspired by that story, Emily realized this dream was achievable for anyone, including her. So why does financial independence matter, especially for women? One, confidence and peace of mind. Having control over your money means less stress, fewer arguments about finances, and more time to focus on what truly matters. 2, healthy relationships. With a solid financial foundation, you can avoid money-related tension in friendships, partnerships, and marriages. 3, personal growth. Financial independence often leads to opportunities, like further education, career advancement, or starting a business you're passionate about. 4, freedom to give back. When you're secure in your own finances, you can afford to help others, contribute to causes you care about, and create a ripple effect of positive change. In From Paycheck to Prosperity, the path to financial freedom is built on 4 key pillars: mindset, budgeting, debt management, and investing. Let's break these down. Mindset is the invisible driver of your financial life. It's about seeing money not as a barrier but as a tool, a form of energy that can be used to create or destroy. Cultivating a positive and proactive financial mindset helps you see possibilities instead of roadblocks. Just like Emily realized, wealth isn't just about the size of your bank account, it's about your mindset and the habits you form. Budgeting gets a bad rap, but it's actually your roadmap to freedom. By tracking where your money goes each month, you gain control. Think of it like a GPS for your finances. If you don't know where you're starting, how can you plan your route? Whether you're tackling monthly bills, planning a vacation, or starting an emergency fund, a good budget is your best friend. Debt can feel like an anchor around your ankles, limiting your choices. But by using methods like the debt avalanche, paying off high-interest debts first, or the debt snowball, paying off smaller debts first for quick wins, you can systematically break free. Once your debt is under control, you'll free up resources for more important goals, like building savings or investing in yourself. Investing is all about making your money work for you, whether it's through stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or even starting your own business. Strategic investments allow you to grow wealth over time, turning the money you earn into a steady stream of returns. Learning the basics can feel intimidating, but with the right knowledge and a solid plan, it becomes your gateway to long-term prosperity. Now let's pause to reflect. What does financial freedom look like to you? What would you do if money were no object? How could your financial independence strengthen your relationships and personal fulfillment? Asking yourself these questions helps you identify your why. Once you have your why, it becomes much easier to take action. Here are 3 simple steps you can start implementing today, even before the rest of the series drops. 1, track your spending for 1 week. No complicated spreadsheets needed. Just jot down every expense on your phone's notes app or on a piece of paper. 2, set a no-spend challenge. Pick one day or weekend each week when you commit to spending $0. This is a quick way to see how much you can save by skipping little indulgences. 3, open a dedicated savings account. Automate a small portion of every paycheck into this account, no matter how small the amount. Over time, it adds up and gives you peace of mind. In upcoming episodes, we'll dive deeper into each of these pillars. Mindset shifts, breaking free from limiting beliefs around money. Budgeting hacks, tools, apps, and strategies to stay on track. Smart debt management, step-by-step guides on paying off loans, beginner-friendly investing, how to grow your money over time without feeling overwhelmed. We'll also share real-life success stories, women who went from struggling with basic expenses to owning businesses, traveling the world, and supporting their families in ways they never thought possible. You'll learn their secrets, mistakes, and how they rose above challenges. Ready to start your journey from paycheck to prosperity? Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any episode in this series. Share this video with a friend or family member who needs a little financial inspiration. Remember, how do you build a mountain? One stone at a time. Your path to financial independence starts with small, consistent steps. By embracing the right mindset, creating a workable budget, tackling debt, and learning to invest, you can shape a future where money worries aren't holding you back from living the life you truly want. Thanks for watching, and here's to building a brighter, more prosperous tomorrow, one step at a time.